Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're making some really easy, simple, delicious meals to show you that healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated and it doesn't have to have a bunch of funny ingredients. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let's jump in. So the first thing we're making are these shrimp zoodles. I'm starting off with some avocado oil in a pan because it has a higher smoke point, so it doesn't burn and create free radicals, along with some garlic and red pepper flakes. The red pepper flakes do make it a little bit spicy, so if you're not into spice, you can leave that out. Then I'm adding in some shrimp, and you want to make sure your shrimp are wild caught shrimp. This applies to actually all seafood, not just shrimp, but even salmon. It always has to be wild, never ever farmed. Once those are done, you'll know because they turn pink. I'm scooping those out so that we can cook our zoodles. So these are ones I have pre-spiralized. You can also just spiralize them yourself or buy them spiralized already. And I'm going to start cooking them down in the leftover kind of like juice and broth because it just gives it so much flavor, and we have all that flavor there. Once the zoodles are kind of wilted and cooked down, I add my shrimp back in. And there you go, guys. It's super simple. I threw a little parsley on the top, but as you guys can see, this you can make in less than 15 minutes. It's nutritious and it's delicious. Next up, we're making a Mediterranean bowl. So I'm starting off by cooking some chicken, and I'm adding in some za'atar spice. I think that's how you say it. It's like a Middle Eastern Mediterranean type spice. I got it at Whole Foods. You can get it at Trader Joe's, Amazon. And then I'm taking some butter lettuce. You can take your favorite type of green, along with some tomato, and just chopping that up so that we can put it on the side of our bowl. And I feel like the combo that I'm going to put in this bowl is just very what I see, like Mediterranean. So we have some cucumber as well, throwing that into the bowl. And again, I'm choosing very basic vegetables that I know that a lot of people can get, and they're not super complicated. Once your chicken's done, I'm putting about 4 ounces onto my salad, in case you guys are wondering how much protein. A scoop of hummus. You can make your own, but you can buy really simple, good ingredient hummus at the grocery store. A little bit of parsley, some paprika, and some of my grain-free crackers that you guys have seen me make. You can also do just any kind of cracker that you have. I like the crunch too with the hummus and the tomato, the cucumber, but like I said, super simple to whip up and so much flavor. And lastly, we are making this foil pack. So I'm starting off with some broccoli. If you don't like broccoli, you can literally do whatever vegetable you like in this foil pack. That's what's great about it. I'm just showing you a really simple, easy way to make a bunch of meals. So then I'm taking some chicken sausage. Again, I'm trying to change up the different kind of proteins I have so I don't get tired of one. Throwing on my broccoli, and then I'm adding in some butternut squash. Kind of adds a complex carb, adds some color, and I've been on a butternut squash kick lately. So you take that and you fold the foil pack and kind of make a pouch for it. You want to make sure the steam stays in. So you really want to roll the top and then roll the sides because that's what helps it really cook. Then we're just going to throw it into the oven at 400 for half an hour, and everything's cooked. So what I like about this is you can make a bunch of different foil packs. You can make one for each meal, change up the veggies, change up the protein, but it's super simple. You can throw on whatever kind of seasonings you like, or just have it nice and steamed. So I hope you guys enjoyed these really easy, healthy recipes. If you make them, be sure to tag me on Instagram. And lots of back to school or like healthy lunch snack for school and work are coming really soon. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.